Welcome to our complete guide on EPIX IPTV. If you're looking for a reliable streaming service with thousands of channels, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with EPIX IPTV. First, head to the website at 2tv.store to sign up for your subscription. This platform gives you access to over 40,000 live TV channels and 120,000 video-on-demand options, with incredible quality. Next, you'll want to choose your device. EPIX IPTV is compatible with various devices, including Android boxes, smart TVs, and even your smartphone. Simply download the EPIX IPTV app from your App Store. Now let's set up your account. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and log in using your subscription details. Make sure to check for any available updates to ensure you have the latest features. A common mistake is skipping this step, which can lead to buffering issues later. After logging in, take a moment to explore the interface. You'll find categories for live TV, movies, and series. If you're interested in sports, don't miss out on their extensive live sports offerings. To enhance your viewing experience, consider adjusting the settings under the app's preferences. Opt for 4K streaming if your internet connection supports it. This can significantly improve picture quality. Ensure your internet speed is at least 25 megabits per second for optimal streaming. Also, familiarize yourself with the bookmark feature. This allows you to save your favorite channels and shows, making it easier to access them in the future. Remember, the EPIX IPTV service also includes international channels, so if you're looking for global content, you're covered. Finally, if you encounter any technical difficulties, check the FAQ section on the EPIX IPTV website. They provide valuable troubleshooting tips. Avoid common pitfalls like poor internet connection or outdated app versions, as these can ruin your streaming experience. Now you're ready to dive in. EPIX IPTV offers a vast array of content that can keep you entertained for hours. Enjoy your streaming journey and make the most of your subscription.